Whistleblowing neuroscientists have discovered a new way to make more money. Start appearing in your life as soon as today. The key to unlocking your potential is the theta wave. Like Elon Musk, his creativity and learning unlock by theta wave. Find out how 18,366 formerly cash-strapped people replace their worrisome bills and stressful debt with their dream home, dream car, and dream vacation. A breakthrough in Columbia University latest study confirms the secret. It all comes down to activating this tiny power source sitting dormant inside your brain. All you need to do is listen to this special audio just a few minutes a day. It's completely safe, takes just a few minutes, and has nothing to do with manifestation, affirmations, or law of attraction. And no one knew how to activate it and crank it to the level that the top 1% are naturally born with until now. While others struggle financially, you can let the money come to you starting today by harnessing the hard work of 34 years of neuroscience. Click the link at the description of the video to access the program.